Welcome to Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida, in our new location. And this is where we'll be living and building on a 5-acre lot. Plenty of room to park your trucks for storage, allowing multiple installations to occur. We're going to be putting in more space for parking, but as you can see, got a lot of space out here. I mean, this is a huge property, so I invested a lot of time and money into getting into a better situation to service more people readily, and so that it can put their vans out here and we can do the installations and really furnish their businesses with beautiful Baron truck mounts. And as you can see, this is our Baron 105-gallon tank that's ready for powder coat. The lids to these recovery tanks are in the truck, but we're going to have these powder coated as well. 103-gallon, all fully TIG welded, high grade marine aluminum. Look at this ramp. And coming into the building, we are now starting to get the CH752-3100 Kohler's engine that we used originally on the compact Baron series before we were using the Duramaxes. These were 23 horse, but the original equipment, the original engine is a 27 horse, which has been that way since the beginning of the Compact 45's creation. It's the icon of our Baron series of truck mounts, and it's something that we've, it's a lot more money, but super high quality. You got a real beefy 1 7/16 crankshaft at 4.29 inches, so you got a lot of pulley room. These frames here are all cut, as well as the frames over there are all cut for both the big block and the small block Kohler engines. So there's absolutely no re-drilling like I had to do with this one here. But that's the good news, is that we're going back to the OEM original engine, and it's just they're just beautiful engines. What can I say? Made in America. So over here we have a Compact 45 we're finishing up. We got another one we're starting. We got a 47 XL, and we have a big block, which we seem to have pretty good luck getting a lot of the big blocks for this industry. That's a 32.5. Well, actually, no, this one's a 35 horse. And we're going to do a finish on this frame here and sand it down and finish it. And it will go from that stage to the final stage of where it's been fully powder coated, and look how beautiful it comes out. Once it's been sanded and powder coated, it just comes out beautiful. And everything is laser cut. You got a 1/4 size thickness on the frame, all professionally laser cut, real factory look. It's got the panel here, but we also have the infrastructure. Again, we're strictly only using Kohler engines. These are 35 horse that we are using on the 47 XL. It's the big block. We got an all stainless header, all nicely TIG welded. Our world famous patented access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. You'll get the pressure that you need to do the pressure washing jobs. So this is a multifunctional unit. We're using a 4LL blower, which is capable of 562 CFM. We've got the inlet here that's 3 inches, which is very important. I want to emphasize, because so many of the manufacturers are cutting back on the inlet and creating starvation, which creates a lot of differential from the inlet to the outlet. So you get a lot of friction, but you get lower CFM, which means wetter carpets. Because the lower the CFM that's moving through the system, the lower the HGs of lift, which really affect your dry time. As you can see, it's all nicely laid out, open concept framework, fully functional, easy to operate, front panel with labels. We have the hand adjuster controller for your unloader and regulation for your pressure. You've got a inlet for your WD-40 for your lobes, your inlet to your water, a drain for your water box, 2 ports that can be used for either a pre-sprayer or a regular carpet wand or pressure wand. Your last step injection, which is controlled by this pump here, and this will keep the soap and the alkalis out from the plumbing of the inter fittings and hoses and the coil system to the upper and lower heater. So you've got a primary heat exchanger here going through an all stainless flex hose down into a secondary post heater or preheater. Most of these are all stainless braided, so they're super high quality bar stock brass fittings from the car wash industry, so they've been used for heavy duty use. So I only use the highest in quality of everything, and I've never, no matter where the economy goes, I use the same materials, the same processes, and the same quality and performance that you can expect from the Blue Baron truck mount. Got your handy drain here, your handy for the engine oil and handy for the pump oil here. You can drain it out. So everything's just so easy to maintain. Look, open concept. No fighting of louvered covers and banging your knuckles all up just trying to pull covers off. And then once you get into the interior, it's like you need a road map just to find your way around and just to change out a belt. You got pullbacks here for your water pump, as well as for your blower on the other side. 12 volts here, so you can supply your external devices. You've got a fuse here to separate the two, so you could have a pump out or a demand pump either way. So as you can see, the infrastructure is made really in a nice complete way, with tubing on the inside as well. And it takes away from that cheap look, because so many of those manufacturers stop here and they don't add infrastructure and they just slap on a panel and that's it. We like to build our units so that they last as long as you take care of them. We've had we've been building 18 years. There's still Blue Barons out there 18 years old. We have people that have bought 2 Blue Barons. They waited several years and then come back and buy another one to add to their fleet. So that stands for its quality, because we don't get complaints or people saying, oh, this doesn't run right or this is falling apart. No, we put heart and soul and money and time and sweat into our units. And this is our new shop in Lecanto, and there's more efficiency. You've got a cross breeze going across here on our roller doors. All you see is nice cool woods on our 5-acre lot. When the wind blows across, it's more bearable, more easier working conditions, which means more efficiency and just all around better working conditions. Most important is my customers can come up here and they can drop their trailer off this huge pad or park it anywhere. At that point, they can park it pretty much anywhere. So we really stand on our products. We love what we do. I've been 44 years in the industry. I've used a lot of different truck mounts, taken a lot of them apart. I know all the do's and don'ts. I know the things that will get you into trouble if you're not building properly. And if I wasn't doing my job, I wouldn't be standing here doing this film and this amazing workshop on a 5-acre lot, okay? We have a lot of happy customers, and we are looking forward to serving you many years forward. And we'll answer any of your questions, or you can come down here and try one of our units. We'll get one ready for you to test. You'll be amazed by the heat, the performance of our 3,500 pounds pressure rated patented heat exchanger, which is world recognized. And I think you'll be very happy. And our heat exchangers are sold separately on a lot of deals where we just, a a customer doesn't want to spend money, so we can sell these separately without even having to buy a truck mount to augment your existing unit. Or if you have a Bruins 2 or a Legend or 405, we can supply you with a beautiful heater. John Don has purchased a lot of our heat exchangers. Down here we have a template here for a 405 that gets put on a cradle, and it's measured, the feet are properly measured so they can bolt together to have a complete, to know that when they put it on their lower cubby of their Pro-Chem that they'll be able to have it fit properly. We also have 260 plus videos on Mr. Blue Baron 1, the number 1, on our YouTube channel. And we're straight talkers, and we're honest people, and we love putting people to work for our U.S. citizens and our people that want to get started in this business. And we're the answer to not having to spend $30,000 but spend a whole lot less. These go for about $19,895. Our cheapest model is around slightly over $12,000. We have 7 models. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com. We also have an older site called truckmountcarpetcleaningmachines.com that can be reached by the header at the top of that store. That's been in existence since 2005. And enjoy the videos. That website is as wide as it is deep, so it's got a lot of information, a lot of testimonies, a lot of happy customers, and we're here to provide for you. So have a great day. Call us at 727-505-2989 or our land service at 352-513-4246 in Lecanto, Florida. Thank you.